Hey, it's Gab Gab here. Today I was going to show you how to make a paper airplane. Okay, so first you fold it like a hot dog. The creases don't have to be that bad. Just make sure they sort of line up. See? Open it back up. Okay. Fold it like a sort of a triangle. And make sure it lines up in the middle of the line. Do the same with the other one, and that actually makes it look like a triangle. And then just fold it again like this. I don't know if you can see it or not, sorry. Make sure it lines up just perfect. And here you should have something that looks like this. Okay. Now you're gonna hold that just like this. Now these airplanes actually do kind of fly, so you should not a junk one. Okay. Fold it. Okay, so what I did just now was folded this part. It was up like this. All you gotta do is just fold it down like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Make sure they both line up. And there you have a paper airplane. Subscribe, like, comment. Thanks, bye.